Yeah, I got 2 days left, and this was not my game plan. 2 days left to catch as many fish as I can, big fish. And my game plan was actually to go to the creek, to the back of the creek, and fish over there. But last night when I left, my service engine light came on and the car is making some crazy noise, so I didn't drive it into town. So I'm gonna have to stick around here for 2 days where I can take care of that car. I'd rather drive it to the shop than have it towed in. It's another 300 bucks, so we're just gonna see what we can make happen over here. Alright, buddy, let's see how big you are. I don't think you're big enough. 14 and a half, not big enough. Third fish here, so let me back up. I cannot believe there's not a bass in there. Somebody must have got him already. There we go. I knew there'd be one. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh. I'll just measure just to make sure. But I think he's too short. Yeah, I can tell. Oh, he was too short. He's too little booger. Alright, y'all, this looks too juicy. I'm gonna have to walk it. So I gotta leave y'all here, at least on this one. Let's hope there's some big ones in here. It's not a big one, but it's a good sign. You're not a big boy. You're not a big boy. I got you good, didn't I? There we go. He's pretty though. Nice markings. Got some battle wounds on you. I don't think he's big enough. He's 14. 14. Had to do a little math. Not big enough. There you go, buddy. Oh, another little one. Dang it. A wee bass. Lots of bass, just the wrong size. Oh, another one. Ah. God, they keep getting smaller. We are going the wrong way. We are going the wrong way, buddy. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you go, buddy. Oh, no, no. That was a good one. That was a good one. Dang. Ah. Dude. Chill, my friend. Oh, you're feisty. You feisty little booger. I think this cove is full of little bass. Another little guy. Here, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't want to leave fish, but man. Well, there was bass here, but nothing over 14 inches, which isn't going to help me at all. Gotta go find another spot, and it's getting late. Dang it. Oh. He's little. Damn. Man, I was fishing on the wrong freaking spot. They're like all over here. Pretty smallmouth though. There you go, buddy. There you go. I'll be out in just a minute. Oh yeah, there goes the sun. So that's all she wrote. One more day. I think I screwed up. I spent almost all my time traveling and not enough time fishing. I probably fished the whole day, like 3 hours. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna just do some walking. I'm gonna do some hiking and see what happens. It's just a tournament, but man, I wanted to win the money to get some stuff for my kayak. So anyway, I'm trying. I got one more day. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, y'all. Tie lines. I'll see you later.